Hey you, it's Jess here, and we are doing my September kit lineup. Now I've already put one of the kits into my planner, but I will show you it. But yeah, we're gonna start autumn. I will say I think autumn's pretty much coming in now here. We've got the cooler weather and lots of rain, but for the first week of September from 4th until the 10th, oh my god, why does Heidi play with the toys every time I start filming? I'm using the farm kit, which was an exclusive that I did for SPC. You can see it here. And I am using the mixed metal confetti bundle, which was matte bronze and matte silver. I think, you know, it looks pretty nice. Pretty simple and just lets the art speak for itself. So that's the first week of September. Then the second week of September, we got a bit more autumny stuff. I've decided that I have a few autumn kits I want to use from Caress Press, and I've moved them to November because I feel like they're more actual late November, like more late autumn kits than the ones that I drew here. So that's kind of how it's splitting up. I've got a lot of other artists in my November versus a lot of me this September. So. But I'm going to use Autumn Walk for the week of September 11th to the 17th. And, you know, you guys have seen this recently. Whoop, there goes the freebie. And I'm going to be pairing this with the Maple foil bundle in this, like, caramel orange glitter. It's actually, like, glittery. As you can see here. Just really beautiful from Caress Press. And I decided to do that because I got this full quote freebie in the exact same foil. They're both the glittery. And I really want to use these quotes with this kit. And I like that they're not too big. So I feel like this would be great for, like, on this outfit box I can put thick thighs, full vibes, or even just leggings, sleeves. Lattes please. This Spice Girl might fit underneath this girl. Stuff like that. Yeah, so I wanted to use these quotes this year, and I got them in the sparkly matching of this. And I thought this would go really great together because even though one of the colors isn't that deep orange, it does exist in the kit in this sort of like this more tan color here, and also the orange leaves. Heidi's just running around. Always, always, always. But that is for that week of September. Then September 18th to the 24th, I'm using the reformat of Fall in Love, which was my practical magic art from a couple years ago. One of my favorite films for sure. I still like sob like a baby at that quote when it happens in the film. I wished for you to. Such a good film. I like how it's also creepy, like scary. So, and I love this reformat. It's like the proper reformat with the split washi. So I'm excited to use this because I used this the other year. I would have shown you in my autumn spreads, and I'm excited to use it again in a different way. And I am actually going to use this copper foil bundle in sparkle from SPC. I just thought because it's pretty prominent copper, like the copper pot, and you have like the color of this whiskey, and just you have these sort of warmer coppery colors within the kit. So I thought that would be fun to use as well as a bit more autumn difference. And the sparkle has a little bit of, you know, magic to it, but not too much. I wanted to let the art speak for itself because I feel like when I used it the other year, the foil was a lot more prominent. So this time I want a less foil. And then for the last week of September, the 25th to the 1st, I am using the July Mystery from this year from SPC, this beautiful witchy one. I thought I'd go from, like, this is more of an autumn witch, and then this is more of a spooky witch, and then obviously we go into spooky times for October. But yeah, I really loved this art. I love it so much, and I wanted to use it right away. It's super dark. And I know a lot of people are using silver and stuff with it, but I was looking through my fun foils and I found this lilac butterfly foil from Caress Press, and I actually thought this would be perfect with it because it's still light to bring out from those dark colors, but you still have like that, you have like that lavender there, the light purple color it goes really well with, and then I just love the kind of butterflies, because I think there's butterflies on her dress, and I'm not sure if it's in the art, but there's butterflies on this bottom washi. So there's kind of a hint to that butterfly feeling, but I also feel like they're very magical and witchy butterflies for me. I used to be one of those girls that hated I didn't care for butterfly themes, but now I really do love butterflies. So yeah, I thought this was a really fun mix, and if you're using this later this month or in October, I thought this might give you an interesting choice if you wanted to use this, the butterfly bundle in the light purple. I'm not sure if Caress Press still has it, but I just thought that was a really whimsical foil to use. And I think it's also fun that I'm not using any core this month, because I've got the matte silver, matte bronze, I've got the sparkly orange, the copper, and the light purple. I thought it'd be really fun to mix it up for September, and then we're going straight in October, which it's going to be so hard to put together, but I'm excited for September so far. I think I really love the vibes. You know, first we've got sort of country, you know, chilling sort of early autumn, and then we're going into witchy times, which I'm excited about. For the monthly, I am using this set from Caress Press, which I think I'm using the not the kit of this, but a similar kit of this in November. That's what I mean by moving my Caress Press autumn kits to November. But yeah, so that's everything I'm using for September. Let me know if we're twinning it all, or if I've given you any ideas, or if you think I should change something, let me know. We got time. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.